What's up, Nikki? The whole brewery is going to go in here. The rest of the equipment's still online right now at Witches Rock. About 1 million kegs. This whole area is going to become ping pong, pool table, half pipe. Be going right there behind those kegs. Oh, getting our new electric giant transformers installed. Building the roof. What's up, Oscar? It's going to be the outside area, the tap room, covered space for chairs, hammocks. It's the outside of the building. In this industrial yet growing residential park, Tamarindo. There's the first frisbee hole right there. Got another one way up the hill, you can kind of see it. And yeah, pretty soon, brewery will be open to the public.